Hello kids, good morning. Today we are going to do World Around Us book, pages 4 to 12. So you all have seen the video of living and non-living things. So today we are going to do the recap of living and non-living things, and we are going to write in the pages. So let's start first. You all also take out the book. See, this is the book, World Around Us. So you have to take out this book, and we are doing living and non-living things. So children, some things they can move, some can breathe, some can grow, and some things cannot do all these things. They cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot grow. So this is the difference between living and non-living things. You have to find out that the thing which can move, breathe and can grow, they are called living things. And the things which cannot do all these things, they are called non-living things. Right? See here, you have to remember these 4 things. Living things can breathe, they need food and water, they can grow, and even they have the babies. Right? Come on, repeat after me. Living things can breathe, they need food and water, they can grow, and even they have the babies like humans, animals, birds, insects and plants. They all are called living things because they can breathe, they eat the food, they drink water, they can grow, and they have the small babies. See, here are the living things. If we can talk about baby, then baby can breathe, baby can grow, right? Baby eat the food, baby can drink the water. So it is which thing? Baby is a living thing, and plant is also a living thing. Because see, first we have seed, then slowly we have the sapling, and then it grows and it becomes a plant. So plant can also grow, plant eats sunlight and plant need water also. So plant is a living thing. Same way, if we talk about hen, first there is an egg, and then from the egg chick comes out, and then slowly and gradually it grows and it becomes the hen, right? And they can drink water, they can eat food, they can breathe. So these all are living things. Here we have non-living thing, like a ball. Children, does it breathe? Do you think ball can breathe? Do you think ball can walk or it can grow? No, ball cannot grow. Ball cannot breathe. Ball cannot move from one place to another place, right? So ball is a non-living thing. Okay, and non-living things are called man-made also, right? The thing which human being they have made, the thing which is made by human, right? Like toys, car, ball, furniture, these all things are called man-made things, and they are called non-living things. Man-made things are called non-living things because they cannot breathe, they cannot grow, they cannot move from one place to another place without our help, right? So, children, always remember that breathe, the things which can breathe, which can grow, which have the babies, and the thing which needs the food and water, they are living things. So, these 5 things you have to remember for the living things. See, these are the 6 points which are for the living things, and the thing which cannot do all these things, they are called non-living things. Here, come on, repeat after me. Living things can grow, they have food and water, they can breathe, they can move from one place to another place, they can feel. Like we are human, we all are living things, right? If somebody hits you or if you fall down, then you get hurt, right? So you can feel that hurt, right? Then we have the babies also, right? Living things will have the babies. So these are the 6 points which are very important for the living things, right? And the thing which cannot do all these things, they are called non-living things. Here, children, you will have this kind of page wherein you can see the butterfly, then there is a boat, then there is a ball, bird, tree, fish, heart and house, right? So we have to find out living thing and non-living thing, right? This is heart-shaped balloon, right? So let's find out which are the living things and which are the non-living things. In the first circle, there is living thing, and in the second circle, there is a non-living things. Okay, so let's start matching. Here we have butterfly. So butterfly is a living or non-living thing? Butterfly can move from one place to another place. Butterfly can breathe. Butterfly can grow. So butterfly is a living thing. So we will match butterfly with the living thing. Now here we have boat. So boat is a man-made or boat is a living thing? Boat can move without our help. Boat can breathe? No. So boat is a non-living thing. Same way ball. Ball can breathe. It can grow or it can have the babies. No. Ball cannot do all these things. So ball is a man-made thing. Ball is a non-living thing. And here we have bird. Bird can move from one place to another. Bird can grow. Bird can have the babies. So bird is a living thing. So we will take bird to the first circle. Then here we have the tree. Tree, children, tree can breathe, right? Tree eats the sunlight and tree drinks the water and tree can grow, right? First we have small plant and then it becomes the big tree, right? So tree is a living thing. So we will take tree to the first circle. Fish. Fish is a living or non-living thing. Fish can grow, it can breathe, it can eat food. So fish is a living thing. And this heart-shaped balloon. So balloon is a living thing or non-living thing? Balloon can breathe. It can move from one place to another place. No. So balloon is a non-living thing. And house. House can breed children. It can grow. House can have the babies. No. So house is a non-living thing. So children, this way you have to match living things and non-living things, right? Then you will have the next page. Here, where whichever thing is living, you have to write L for the living things, and for non-living things you have to write N and L, non-living things. So fish is a living things because it can move, it can breathe. So you have to write L for the fish. Dog. Dog can move, dog can breathe. So dog is a living thing. Then here we have log. Children, log can breathe. Log can move one place to another place without our help. Log can have the babies. No. So log is a non-living thing. So for non-living things, we will write N and L. Non-living thing. Now here we have the girl. Girl can grow, girl can breathe, right? Girl can move from one place to another place. So girl is a living thing. Here we have compass box. So compass box, children, can it breathe? No, compass box cannot breathe. So compass box is a non-living thing. So for non-living things we will write N and L. And here we have teddy. Teddy bear is a toy. Children, toy can grow. Toy can eat the food. No. So toy is a non-living thing. So for non-living things we will write N and L. Right. Then we have here this picture. Children, here we have to circle all the living things which can breathe, which can move, which can feel, which can grow. Right. So we will find out all the living things and we will circle. So here we have the swing. Swing can move. Swing can breathe. No. So swing is a non-living thing. But this boy, girl, these all the friends, they all can move. They can feel. They grow. They eat the food. Right? They all are babies like you. And you all are also eating the food. You drink water. Right? You grow. So they are playing in the garden and they are babies like you. So they all are living things. So we will circle all the babies because they are living things. We will circle this boy. We will circle this boy. We're sliding. Here also we have one more boy. So this all the boys and girls, they are called living things, right? So this all the things you have to do it in your book. Okay, here we have few things. We have to find out whether they are living or non-living. Okay, if they are living, we will here put right in the yes, and if they are non-living thing, we will put right in the no. So here we have the basket. Basket is a living thing or non-living thing? Basket can eat the food, can drink water. No. So basket is a non-living thing. So we will put the right here. Now tree. Children, tree can grow. Right? We get fruit also from the tree. Tree needs sunlight and water. Right? Tree can breathe. So tree is a living thing. So you put yes. Now here we have the boy. Boy can move. Boy can breathe. Boy can eat the food and can drink the water. So boy is a living thing. Yes, boy is a living thing. Here we have the scooter. Children, without our help, can scooter move from one place to another place? No, right? Scooter cannot breathe. Scooter cannot eat the food. Scooter cannot drink the water. So scooter is a non-living thing, right? So this way, these 3 pages you have to write in your book. And here children, there is very interesting thing. You have to sit with your mama and daddy and you have to stick the pictures. Find out small pictures of living thing and non-living thing. Living thing 3 pictures and non-living thing 3 pictures you can paste. And if you don't have pictures, you can draw also. You draw and color with mama and daddy. But for doing this page, you sit with mama and daddy. Like here living thing, you can paste fish, dog, boy or a girl picture. Here for non-living things, you can paste picture of table, you can paste ball, you can paste house, or else you can draw all these things, right? So children, please do all these pages in your book nicely and sit with mama and daddy and understand properly, right? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.